This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing a semantic nav at the top of your page and immediately applying fixed positioning. Set position, fixed, top, 0, width, 100%, and a high z-index so the bar stays visible above content. Once done, don't forget to link your stylus sheet and use a clear class name to target height and background. This step fixes the nav in the viewport. It removes the element from normal flow, so prepare to offset the page content next to avoid layout shift. Now you prevent the content from hiding beneath the fixed bar by offsetting the page. Define a CSS custom property like navh and apply body padding top, var navh, so the main content starts below the nav. Make navh responsive with media queries or calc when the nav changes size. Once done, test smaller screens and switch to position, sticky if you want the bar to scroll into place before sticking. Also adjust max height and overflow for long navs to keep usability intact. Finish by making the fixed nav robust. Add keyboard skip links, ensure focus outlines remain visible, and implement a small script that measures nav. Offset height and sets document, body, style, padding top accordingly on load and resize. Make sure parent elements don't use transform or perspective, which create new stacking contexts and can hide fixed elements. If something breaks, check z-index, overflow, and whether any ancestor has position transforms. That single troubleshooting tip, inspect stacking contexts, solves most visibility and jump issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.